Out of every 100 nurses who say they want something different, you know how many actually do something about it? 3, maybe 5 on a good day. The other 95 of us, well, we'll sit around and complain about the same problems at the same nurse's station for the next 20 years of our life. We'll retire exhausted and we'll wonder what could have been. Now, which one of these are you? Now, today I want to lay out what separates those 5 nurses from everyone else. Because here's the thing, it's not what you think. It's not intelligence, it's not experience, and it's definitely not luck. Look, I'm going to be straight with you about something that most people won't say out loud. Most nurses will never change their situation. Not because they can't, they just won't. They'll watch videos like this one, they'll save Instagram posts about following your dreams, might even research legal nurse consulting. Maybe download a free guide or 2, but when it comes time to actually do something, crickets. Alex, she's one of our Catalyst clients, and she said something that hit me really hard. She said, Randy, 90% of the nurses that I worked with talked about doing something different. We'd sit at the nurse's station every shift, same conversation, same complaints, same dreams. She said, I got tired of talking about what I wanted to do, and I just had to do it. You know where Alex is now? She's crushing life as a business owner, while her old coworkers are still having the same conversations at that same nurse's station. So let me tell you the 3 reasons that most nurses never make this leap. And be honest with yourself about which one of these is yours. Put it in the comments if you feel comfortable with it. Here's reason number 1, the devil you know. Hospital nursing, it might be killing you, but at least you know what to expect, right? A miserable shift today, at least you know it'll be miserable in a familiar way. Reason number 2, the perfect time myth. I'll do it when the kids are older, after I save money, once I get through this rough patch. Listen to what Shauna said. She had a 2-year-old when she started. She said, I realized there was never going to be a perfect time. I was either going to do it with a toddler hanging off my leg, or I was going to be 60 and still looking back saying, someday. Here's reason number 3, the identity crisis. This is probably the deepest one. After years of being Sarah the ICU nurse or Mike the ER nurse, who are you if you're not at the bedside? Well, Rachel, she's another of our Catalyst clients. She had been pretty much everything. She was an L&D nurse, a nursing instructor, a CNO, a hospital administrator. And she said to me, leaving bedside felt like betraying my identity. And then I realized I wasn't leaving nursing. I was elevating it. Now, let me tell you about nurses who actually have the courage to make the change and give you a little information about what separates them from the pack. So maybe you can be there as well. First, they feel the fear and they move anyway. Chelsea had 4 brain surgeries. Her dad was dying of cancer. She was working 12-hour shifts while building her business at night. You think she wasn't scared? She told me I was terrified every single day. But I was more terrified of looking back in 10 years with regret. By the way, she had 20 cases in her first 7 months of starting the market, and fear didn't stop her. It fueled her. Second thing that those who make it do, they stop waiting for permission. Nobody's going to tap you on the shoulder and say, hey, you should become a legal nurse consultant right now. Your spouse might not get it. Your coworkers probably think you're crazy. Your mom might ask you why you're throwing away your nursing career. Nicole told me I had to stop waiting for everyone else to understand my vision. They couldn't see what I saw because they weren't living my life. And the third thing that people who win do, they invest in themselves. This is a big one. The nurses who make it, they understand that investing in themselves, it's not an expense or a cost. It's their ticket out. Jane, one of our clients, she said it perfectly. She said, why would you not want to invest in yourself? That's what a business owner mindset looks like. Most nurses, they're perfectly happy spending $200 on scrubs they'll continue to wear to a job that they hate, but they don't want to invest in training that could change their entire life. The 5% who succeed, they see the difference between these two. And here's what separates the dreamers from the doers. The doers follow a proven system. Doing the same thing over and over and expecting a different result is the definition of insanity. And doing the same thing over and over, even doing something different, if you're not doing the right things repeatedly, you're just going to go farther down the wrong path. And you can't YouTube University your way to success in legal nurse consulting. Look, I have an amazing YouTube channel. I put a lot of work into it, and I try to pour a lot into you. But you can't wing it and hope for the best. The nurses who make it, they follow a pathway that's already been proven. Catherine had 35 years of experience. You'd think she could have figured it out on her own. But she said to me, I wanted something that was turnkey, step by step by step. I wanted the total package. And you know what happened? Companies were offering her jobs just from her practice case submissions. She never even had to market herself. That's what a proven pathway does. It removes the guesswork. This is really why I built Catalyst the way I did. Not just to teach legal nurse consulting, but to give you the exact blueprint that the successful 5% follow. 3 practice cases with individualized feedback, so you know you're ready before you ever even talk to an attorney. Weekly live mentorship sessions with me and my team and the rest of our group because questions come up. And you need answers from people who know them, who have been there, who have lived it, who have done that. A community of nurses all making the same bold choice that you did, because Rachel was right when she said to me, Randy, the community makes it. When everyone around you is leveling up, you can't help but rise. I didn't work to create just another course. We've created a transformation system for the nurses bold enough to use it. So here's the deal. You can be part of the 95% who are going to watch this video, maybe share it, go back to the same job tomorrow, have the same complaints, live the same life. Or you can be part of the 3 to 5% who say, enough. I'm doing this. I'm doing something different for myself. Kelsey made that choice. She told me, I'm living my dream life. And not a lot of people get to say that. I'm able to take a breath and enjoy motherhood while building something meaningful. Alex made that choice. Here's what she told me. Winston Churchill said, success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It's the courage to continue that counts. I just needed the courage to start. Now listen, I can't make you be a part of the 5%. Nobody can. That's a decision that comes from inside you, from that part that knows you're meant for more than what you've been settling for more as a nurse. But if you're filling that pool, if something inside you is saying, this is my time, then don't let another day pass without taking action. Watch my free training. It's free. The link is right below this video. In there, I'm going to show you exactly how legal nurse consulting works, what the pathway looks like, and how nurses with 0 business experience are building 6-figure practices. But more importantly, I'll show you what's possible when you decide to be one of the few who actually does something about their situation. Because here's the truth. A year from now, you'll either be exactly where you are today, or you'll be living a completely different life. The only difference, whether you had the courage to be part of the 5%. Not every nurse takes the first step. But you're not every nurse, now are you? The link's below. I'll see you in the training.